All my students, welcome to all my viewers. Welcome all in the digital hall on online learning process. Vidyadham High School, Kanur Mesai, Taluka Shirur, District Pune. I am Takle Yeshwant Girjappa, MSc B.Ed, taking a lesson of 9th standard of subject algebra of topic sets. Subtopic is set concept. First of all, we will see the definition of set. What is meant by set? Collection of a well-defined object is called set. We will see some examples of set. First example is days of week. A week has Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, etc. These are well-defined objects. So it is an example of a set. See another example, months in a year in Gregorian year. It has a definite objects, that is months in year are January, February, March and so on. These are well-defined objects. So it is a set. We'll see last examples. Colors in a rainbow. A rainbow has 7 colors, that is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. These objects are well defined. So it is also an example of a set. Set is denoted by capital letters such as capital A, capital B, capital C, so and so. While the elements are shown by using small letters, that is small a, small b, small c, so and so. If A is an element of set A, then we write it as A belongs to A. That is small a belongs to capital A. While B is not an element of set B, then we write B does not belong to set B. We will see some examples of sets. First example, a set of natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N and it starts with 1, 2, 3, so and so. Another example of a set is a set of whole numbers. Whole number is denoted by a letter capital W. W which is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so and so. And last example, we will consider a set of integers. It is denoted by a letter capital I, or it may be denoted by the letter capital Z, which is equal to dot -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so and so. Now we will study the methods of writing these sets. There are 2 methods for writing the sets. First is listing methods, or it may be called as a roster method. For example, a set of even numbers. We have to write a set of even numbers. If it is denoted by a letter capital A, which is equal to even numbers are 2, 4, 6, so so and so. We will consider another example. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. We have to write prime numbers, but even it consists of only one element, that is 2. Suppose that this set is denoted by capital B, which is equal to 2. It has only one element, and that is 2. Now we will consider another example, set of negative integers. Suppose that it is denoted by letter C and it has the elements dot 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 -3, -2 and -1. For example, 7 basic sounds of a sargam, that is sur, sa. So suppose that it is denoted by capital letter D, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These are elements of this set. Now next one is letters in the word mathematics. Suppose that it is denoted by the letter capital E. It has elements M, A, T, H, E. Then M is repeated. We cannot write it again. Then A is also repeated. We cannot write it again. T is also repeated. We cannot write it again. I, C, S. That means set E has elements M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Note one more thing. If an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write that element only once. Second method of the writing rule method. Writing the set, it is a rule method, or it is also called as set builder form method. Suppose that we have first example. A is a set given numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So its answer is in roster form is rule form is set A which is equal to x such that x which is equal to n square, n belongs to capital N and n is less than or equal to 10. Another example of set P has the elements 2, 3, 5, 7. It can be written in set builder form as P which is equal to set x such that x is a prime number between 1 to 10. Third example, a set B is given 6. It has elements 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. It is written a rule method form as B which is equal to x such that x which is equal to 6n, small n belongs to capital N and n small n is less than 9. Example number 4, set C is given. It has the element S, M, I, L, E. It is we can write it in set builder form as C which is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word smile. Next example, it is denoted by set D, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this set we can write in rule method form as D which is equal to set x such that x is a day of a week. And last example, set x is given. Its elements are A, T and E. We can write in a rule method or set builder form as x which is equal to set y such that y is a letter in the word it, or it may be written as y is a letter in the word T. Now last, if the given is whether it is set or not, we can decide relative term with the help of relative term. If the term is relative, then it is not an example of a set. For example, first given, we have asked the question, write set of rich people in your town. The term rich people is a relative term. So it is not a set. It is not a well-defined object. So it is not an example of a set. See another example. Write set of happy students in your class. Asked happy students. The term happy is also a relative term. It is not a well-defined object. So it is not an example of a set. And third one, easy examples in the textbook of 9th standard. The word easy is also relative term. It is not well defined, so it is not a set. Thank you. Do homework as I suggested.